your Team Riley! Playing in his 13th year and fresh from the penalty box, it's Riley's anger!
Let me at him! Helmet, pads, gloves, safety checklist is complete. It should be nothing but smooth sailing from here. Ah, look out!
And that's fear, keeping Riley on her toes.
We gotta get our mouth guard, people.
No, that's not Everest! And that, folks, is the infamous Disgust. Glad to have her on our team.
28, Anderson, tripping.
Oh, no. And bringing up the rear, you know her, you love her, the one, the only.
We got a penalty.
That's right, Dad, this is in the house.
Anderson goes to the box. 2 minutes for tripping.
Okay, looks like we have a couple of minutes while Riley takes a breather. Let me catch you up. Riley is still exceptional. Ta-da! And not just because she's the top of her class, which, by the way, she is.
Riley, over here.
She's also really kind. And she's nice to stray cats. I mean, come on. Oh, and she's officially a teenager now. She got very tall, very fast.
Did we grow overnight?